is this creepy? It's not creepy, as you said, because the intelligence is there. We're just helping you make sense of it. But that is exactly why what's taking off for us is our white labeled business. So we have marketing companies who have an established book of business, companies that have been using them for years, who trust them, who know them,
Right.
who don't know MergedAnalytics. But if you have an established marketing media company, or you make websites for other businesses, etc., when you say, hey, I got this analytics tool, that's integrated with everything else that we're doing, that I can turn on for you. Are you interested? Those guys, like, it's the easiest sale for them.
That's been
Whereas, yeah,
huge.
go ahead.
Yeah, no, but that has been a huge, again, that has come out of this whole COVID-19 phase, where we've been doing so many more white labeling because we offer such an attractive agency pricing
Yeah,
model that the media companies that we work with can basically hand their customers a very powerful tool at very little cost. And what it does is it keeps their brand in front of their customers, and it also helps with customer retention,
absolutely.
and it gives an extra layer of intelligence. And back to Google Analytics again. It's a great product. It doesn't give you everything that you need, for next steps, or doesn't expose all the information. Um, but just so you know, Merge Analytics does work in tandem with Google Analytics as well. So a lot of customers lately have been tagging Merge Analytics with GTM, the Google Tag Manager. So what it's doing is you take a couple tools and it serves up all the intelligence you need in a dashboard fashion, so that you can hand it over to your client, or white glove it to your client.